Bonjour! I'm Sarah and welcome to this video on 10 facts you didn't know about France. France is one of the world's most famous and beloved countries, known for its rich history, culture, and beautiful scenery. Let's take a closer look at some surprising facts about this amazing country. Fact number 1. Size. France is the largest country in the European Union and the third largest in Europe. Fact number 2. Revolution. The French Revolution was a turning point in European history and had a major impact on the development of democracy. Fact number 3. Population. France has a population of approximately 67 million people, making it the second most populous country in Europe after Germany. Fact number 4. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is one of France's most famous landmarks and attracts millions of visitors every year. Fact number 5. Wine. The French wine industry is one of the largest in the world and produces many well-known varieties, including Champagne and Bordeaux. Fact number 6. Language. The French language is one of the official languages of the United Nations and is spoken by over 200 million people worldwide. Fact number 7. Art. France is known for its rich artistic heritage and has been home to many famous painters, including Claude Monet and Pierre-Auguste Renoir. Fact number 8. Louvre. The Louvre Museum in Paris is the largest art museum in the world and is home to the famous painting, the Mona Lisa. Fact number 9. European Union. France is a founding member of the European Union and has been an active player in European politics for many years. Fact number 10. Fashion. France is also known for its fashion and has been home to many famous fashion designers, including Coco Chanel and Christian Dior. And those were 10 facts you didn't know about France. Thank you for watching, and be sure to share this video with your friends if you found it interesting. See you soon!